Hello, my loves. It's unboxing time. I'm so excited. Okay, so here, let's just say shout out to Young Living for sending this kind of packaging instead of a big box. I'm really impressed. They're getting eco-friendly. So it comes in a little plastic bag like this. And then I had a second part of my package. It must have not gotten in the same package for some reason. So the first thing that I got was the Mara cleansing oil. I'm really excited to try this. I don't know that it has any connection to the Progestence Plus that I did a video about, which is the bioidentical progesterone made from wild yams. If you have any issues with energy, libido, sleep, any kind of hormone imbalance, give that sucker a try. It's so good, and it smells so good that it's got the same label style as this, so I want to smell this. Interesting. It doesn't even have to have that much of a smell. But it's cleansing oil, and I was just curious to try it, especially in the winter when my skin can get dry. And I thought I'd really like to try this, so I'll let you all know. I'll have to give a report back, but it says to put a couple drops on dry hands and then smooth it around, and it's a good makeup remover also. Okay, so let's get into the oil part of my order, which is mostly what I ordered this month. Okay, let's see. So they send them in these little tubes. And I preemptively got the oil for November also. Oh, these are all the free. Okay, so there's a whole bunch of free oils. I did the $250 price point this month. So free oils, nutmeg. Oh, nutmeg is only if you're a Subscribe to Save member. Cinnamon bark, clove. Those were all free. And then I did. That was at the 190 level for those three. Was there another one? And then at 250, you also get patchouli. So, okay, Valor. This is like my new favorite. I can't even go without it. I ordered Valor and vanilla again this month because I've blown through like half of the Valor and half of the vanilla already. I mean, seriously. And the combo, these two are amazing. Add white angelica and you've got the most incredible combo. Valor for like strength, courage, confidence. Vanilla adds a little bit of sweetness right as a hummingbird comes to my window. And white angelica is for auric protection. So those three are a really great combo. And I've kind of determined or like self-identified that is my Young Living team's custom blend. That's kind of our thing. So that's been cool to have. I made a roller ball of it. Oh, Northern Lights Black Spruce. I cannot wait. Someone, a couple people on my team actually that have this were saying that this is like so yummy. Oh yeah, super masculine smell. They were like, oh, you're just gonna want to put this on a roller ball and put this on your man. It smells so good. I cannot wait to do some combos with that. It's got almost like a pine smell. I mean, it's spruce. But I do not yet have, so Northern Lights Black Spruce, and then there's also the Blue Spruce. Why am I blanking on the name of it right now? But that's supposed to be great too. Oh, yay, I'm so excited. So I finally am getting, the oil of the month was... Can I even read this? Yeah, the oil of the month for October. Oh, there's the patchouli. So that's the other free one that came because this is at the $250 price. So $190 price, clove, cinnamon, and nutmeg. And then at the $250 price, you get patchouli also. Love patchouli. And if you're someone that's like, ooh, no, it's a hippie oil, I don't really like, that smell, add a citrus into it. It's really yummy. Okay, Awaken. This was the oil for October. Ooh, yeah, it does have an awakening smell to it. There's something like kind of up and out. It's a little bit heady. I can understand why they're calling it Awaken. And this was a combo. Let's see if I can remember. It's a blend of all blends. I think it was Joy, Harmony, Dreamcatcher, and there was two others. What was it? Because it was a blend of 5 blends. It's really yummy. So I'm finally getting this at the end of the month. And I'm like, damn, I wanted this earlier and I put my order off so late. And then here's 3 other new ones that are brand new to me. So Sarah, I forget what I read about this. It says it on the website. Oh, that is so nice. It's really soft and light, and it also had, like, I can definitely tell there's rose in it, which is really nice. Rose is the highest vibrating oil, and it does not allow anything else in its presence. I have healed ovarian cysts with rose oil, just saying. And then highest potential. Let me see what this is all about. Ooh, yes. That is delicious. It almost, you know, some of those oils that you feel like you want to eat, they're so yummy. This has that feeling. I really, really like that. Okay, and then another one, secret insider tip. I ordered the oil of the month for November. I have not published yet, but here it is. And I'm not going to say much about it. I'll just tell you that I ordered it and I'll see what the smell is all about. But it's Freedom. And it's got a little horse on the outside. It almost has like a kid. Oh, yum. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. So I'll talk more about that in the November Soul Message and explain why it is the oil for the month. But that's a little preemptive. And I think that's it. Amazing. I love it. Valor, I mean, you have to order Valor and you have to order vanilla immediately, if not sooner. Those are my 2 favorites and they're amazing together. Vanilla is also amazing with Luscious Lemon. If you don't have that, it's a real serious bummer that it's out of stock right now. The Luscious Lemon kit, there is a hand soap, lotion, and the oil. And Luscious Lemon with vanilla is delicious. It's a little bit of a thicker oil, so I do recommend, it's not terrible to get it out of the bottle, but if you want to replace it with a dropper lid, that's nice to have. And then the Northern Lights Black Spruce, absolutely amazing. And I will report some recipes with some of these oils. That would be great. And then, ooh, let me smell. I didn't smell nutmeg. I already know what cinnamon bark smells like, but I'm not sure about nutmeg oil. Oh, that is delish. Kind of want to eat that. And then cinnamon bark. Cinnamon bark is great in water to drink. It spices it up if you get canker sores, as I do sometimes. Cinnamon bark in water is great for that. And then clove. These are going to be great for wintertime combos. So I'll post some diffuser recipes with those, and I'll post about the cleansing oil and let you know how that is, and post some recipes. And stay tuned for more about Freedom in November Soul Message. All right, take care, guys.